Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get custom Apple Watch faces on your Apple Watch. Now, this is completely free. It doesn't cost any money or anything like that. Now, first things first, you guys do need to download an application called Clockology from the App Store. I'll have a link in the description as well as in the comment section for you guys just to click on to head over to your App Store. And you're going to be looking for this Clockology application. So just go ahead and download that. Once that is downloaded, the next thing that you guys need to do is just head over to your watch app and just open that up. And you just want to make sure that the Clockology application is on your watch. So as you guys see here, I'm on my watch application. If I scroll down, we will see Clockology down here, right under where it says installed on Apple Watch. So right away, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see available applications and you should be able to install it right here. Sometimes it automatically installs if you have the auto install put on, but if you don't, just go down to the available apps and make sure you have it installed. So now what you're going to do now is just go over to your Apple Watch and open up the Clockology application on your Apple Watch. And I'll attach a little picture on the screen right now. If you guys get this that says remote on your Apple Watch, like a little square and two arrows, I will show you guys what to do. You guys will have to download another thing that I have in the description as well as in the comment section down below. I'll show you guys exactly what it is. So this is what you guys are going to need to download if you guys receive that remote error on your Apple Watch with this application. So all you got to do here is just click on download on this. And then you want to open in Clockology. It's just going to say, welcome, you must be new here. You can just put don't show again. And then you will see this right here, the beta. All you want to do is click on it. And then it's just going to say open Clockology app on Apple Watch. And if you have it set up, all you have to do is swipe down. And you should be good to go to get started. Now, to get watch faces, it's actually really simple. There is a great Facebook group that has tons of watch faces that you guys can just easily download directly from Facebook. Now, I will have a link in the description for you guys to join that group right away. It is a really quick join. It only takes like 2 minutes to join. They accept it really quick. Anyhow, I'll show you guys the group really quick. So if you just head over to Facebook and you just search Clockology fans. Now, this is the group that I use all the time. Now, I did have a little bit of issues personally downloading from the Facebook application portion for some reason. But if you guys want to go ahead and try this out yourselves on the Facebook application, you can go ahead. You guys can just scroll down under announcements to see the most recent watch faces if you want to, or you guys can go up to the top right corner here and just search for a watch face that you're looking for. So let's just say Gucci. I can go ahead and search for Gucci and it will show me some watch faces that they have for Gucci on this Facebook group. But if you guys are having some issues downloading on here, like it's saying internet connection isn't available or something like that, that was the issue I was personally having. So all I did to fix that is just head over to Safari and go on Facebook on the browser and then just do the same thing. So let's just search for Gucci here as well. But it's the same aspect of it. Like all you have to do is click on download on the face that you're looking for. So it doesn't really matter if you download them from the browser or from the application. So let's just say if I scroll down here just to find one that I like. Let's just say I wanted this one right here, the little timeless fly. All you have to do is click on the link. So this one is a Dropbox link. So all you gotta do is click on the Dropbox link and it'll open up dropbox.com here. And then we're gonna click on continue to website. And then right here, we'll have the download option. So we're just going to click on download and direct download. And then it will pop us up again, another download option. So we click on download again. And as we see up here, there is the watch face that we just downloaded. Once that is done, you guys can exit out of here and go back into Clockology. And we should see our faces here that we have downloaded. So here is the Gucci one right here. And you could turn up the brightness, turn it down to see how it looks. And same with the Rolex one right here that I have. Looks really great. And what you guys are going to want to do to put these on your Apple Watch is all you have to do is simply 3D press on the one that you want to add and click on Watch Sync. And then it's going to tell us that we have to click Sync. So we can go ahead and click on Sync. And that is all we really have to do. So we're going to give this a couple seconds to finish up. And then I'll show you guys what to do on your Apple Watches. And once you sync your face over to your watch, this is what you would see on your screen. The face should automatically start showing for you that you just put on the Apple Watch, which is really great. Now, if you guys want to switch between ones that you have on here, you can just swipe to the left and right like you normally would with normal watch faces, which is pretty cool. And one thing I would like to point out as well is once you're done adding your watch faces to your watch, one setting that you want to change in your Apple Watch settings is if you just go over to your settings, I'll show you guys what to change. So just head over to settings and you want to go over to general. So just go back here. So you just want to go over to general and then scroll down and click on wake screen. scroll down and you want to click on where it says return to clock and click on after crown press. So the Apple Watch will return to the clock face after the digital crown is pressed. So it's very important that we have that set so it keeps going back to the application that we just put on because the Clockology is an application. It's not like a normal watch face, so it will change back to your normal watch face unless you change the setting here. So once we are done doing that, we want to exit back out and put back on our new watch face. And then you guys will notice if we keep this open, if we get rid of our watch and come back, it'll bring us back to our watch face that we just added. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to download custom watch faces to your Apple Watch. If you guys like this video and want more, be sure to subscribe for lots more technology tutorials coming in the future, and like this video if it really helped you. Thanks for watching.